Hello everyone. Today in this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best LED strip lights in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5. Minger LED strip lights. The Minger LED strip light has not only RGB red, green, blue, 16 multicolored options, but also has DIY selection to create your great LED mood lighting. This RGB LED strip lights kit can change colors and speed automatically and periodically. LED strip lighting has 150 premium 5050 SMD LEDs in 16.4 feet with dimmer and brightness controls. The light strip is non-waterproof, which is designed to be used indoors. This LED strip light's power supply is under safe value for adults and kids. You can cut off extra strips to adjust to a proper length. 3M self-adhesive tape can be fit on any dry and flat surface. Flexible to install anywhere you want. LED IR remote controller has overcharging, short-circuit protection and memory function. Minger LED strip lights to support 90 days 100% satisfaction guarantee and 1-year warranty. At number 4. Ambother LED strip lights. The Ambother LED strip light with a built-in high-sensitive microphone, LED strip lights to dance the lights along with beats of music in various colors and speed. Remote and power adapter are not waterproof. LED strip lights can be set to change color and speed automatically periodically through the remote control by the pause button. You can schedule your LED strip light to turn on, off at setting time by app. Ambother LED strip light supports iOS 8.0 or above, Android 4.3 or above. With the mobile app and 24-key remote controllers, you can control LED light strips to turn on, off, change 16 million color and brightness. It has a unique design. RGB LED strip light, 5050 LEDs, can be cut every 3 LEDs, with strong self-adhesive back, so that rope lights can be easily placed on any clean, dry and flat surface. At number 3. Daybetter LED strip lights. The Daybetter LED strip light has 360 SMD 5050 LEDs with dimmer and brightness controls plus RGB and color changing mode, with 44 keys IR remote control, light up your life, and makes life more colorful and special. Featured in RGB, with an IR 44 keys remote control in hand, not only supports change 20 colors but also support DIY the color you want conveniently. With the Daybetter LED strip light, you get high-quality material and short-circuit protection, and a working voltage of this LED light strip is only 12 volts, which allows you to use it without any safety worries. With strong 3M adhesive tape, this LED light fit for any dry, clean, and smooth surface, suitable for bedroom, kitchen, cabinet, car, living room, bar, party, Christmas, or wedding decoration. It provides 12 months satisfaction guarantee. At number 2. Govee Wi-Fi LED strip light. The Govee Smart Wi-Fi LED strip light voice control works with Alexa, Google Assistant. Gove strip lights can free your hands to control the light. Use simple conversation starters to turn your lights on and off, set color, make them brighter. It is currently compatible with Echo and Google Home. You can DIY your favorite colors by mixing several colors and keep them for later use. Govee Smart Wi-Fi LED strip light built-in microphone that will sync with any music coming out of the phone speaker or any other speaker in the room and dance the lights along with beats of music. This function is available on app and controller. Use it to make your environment alive. These light strips are made of premium bright 5050 LED lights. It can decorate your bedroom, ceiling, stairs, kitchen cabinet, porch, desk, and living room, especially great for holidays like Christmas, Halloween, parties, etc. At number 1. EJ's Super Car Strip Lights. The EJ's Super Car LED strip light has 540 premium 5050 SMD LEDs with dimmer and brightness controls. You can adjust the brightness of the light strip from 1% to 100%, 4-level dimming mode to suit the various places. This light strips kit with 44-key IR remote controller Provide the primary red, green, blue, RGB, and white, and also 16 multicolored options, built-in sensitivity adjustable microphone, which creating romance, relaxation, party ambiance with music. Light's color will change with the music beats or your microphone. EJ's Super Car LED strip light. You can schedule your light strip to turn on or off at a specific time. Wake up to vibrant colors. Have your lights dim or turn off automatically during movie time to set up the right ambiance. LED strip lights. More than 50,000 hours service life. Greatly save effort and maintenance costs on changing lights frequently.